welcome everyone. We're gonna learn about junk food. French fry, ice cream, burger, lollipop, donut, pizza, soda, chocolate. No, junk food. Yes, healthy food. Don't eat junk food. It will make you sick. You should not ever eat junk food. It will make you weak. Healthy food is good. No junk food at all. Okay? You should never buy any junk food. It's not good. You should never eat it. Take care of yourself by avoiding junk food. In the next class, I will teach you about healthy food. So, it's the end of my class today. I'll come tomorrow, okay? I love you. Bye. Take care. See you next vlog.